In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a habit tracker in Notion. If you're looking for a simple way to stay consistent with your daily routines, this setup will give you a clean, at-a-glance view of your week without any complicated features. First, open the Notion website and sign in. On your workspace, click Create New Page. A blank page opens. Give it a clear name so you can find it later. I'll call mine Habit Tracker. Now we'll add the structure. In the empty page, type a / and start typing table. From the menu that appears, choose Table View. This creates a grid that's perfect for tracking habits over the days of the week. Let's label the first column so it's easy to read. Click the column title and change its name to Day. Then, in the cells of that column, enter the days of the week in order: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Keep them in their own rows so each day gets a dedicated line. With the days in place, it's time to add the habits you want to track. Click Add Property, select Checkbox, and rename that new column to the first activity you care about, like walking. Each checkbox in that column will represent whether you completed that habit on a given day. Repeat that process for your next habit. Click Add Property again, choose Checkbox, and this time name the column Running. Continue adding checkbox properties for all the habits you want to follow. Short, specific names make your table easier to scan. If your table starts to feel crowded, abbreviate the day names to keep everything visible on smaller screens. Notion saves your changes automatically, so you can make updates throughout the day without worrying about losing progress. And if you're just getting started, pick the habits that matter most right now. You can add others later as the routine sticks. Using the tracker is straightforward. Each day, open your habit tracker, find today's row, and tick the boxes for the habits you completed. A checked box means done, an empty box means you still have time to do it. By the end of the week, you'll have a clear visual snapshot of your consistency across every habit. Remember, the goal isn't perfection. It's building consistency. Missed boxes are simply information that helps you adjust tomorrow. Keep the layout tidy, stick to the habits that matter most, and make checking those boxes part of your daily routine. The simpler it is, the more likely you are to use it every day.